The next part of your assignment asks you to look for somebody who's collaborated with your original author. So let's look at this Journal of Socioeconomics, and it asks you to look for that in Academic Search Premier. So let's look this Regulating the Cost of Empathy up again, because we know it's in Academic Search Premier. We're going to go back to the University of Oregon's homepage, go to Libraries, Articles and Databases, Database List A to Z, Academic Search Premier. Do a title search for that author, for that article again. We have sort of something funny here. It doesn't give us any author information. That's kind of frustrating. So let's go back and we'll find something else. And we know that the author's name, the author's initials are Sarah and are S and D. So it found nothing with SD. Let's do comma S, and then we're going to do a star. Which means that we're finding every variation of that author's name. So Compassion Fade and the Challenge of Environmental Conservation. Does that look, oh, Sarah D, looks like it, from Judgment and Decision Making, that looks like it could be her. Let's click on this, and here's something super interesting about this database. It has a link for all of the authors. So here's our author, and it says that it's found 10 results for that author. So we could find other things by her. They've sort of identified her specifically. But also, look here. Here are the other authors from this paper, and they're also links. So let's look at this one. Click on that, and here are all 5 of the articles that Ezra M. Markowitz has published. And it looks like this could be the same person. In fact, this is that one we already found. So here are 4 other ones that were published by a collaborator of the person that we were looking for initially. Pretty groovy. And remember, we can add these to folders. We can use find text to see if we have it, if it's not already available full text. So we can add that to a folder, use find text to find it. And then remember that the folder has things here. Go to folder view, and here are those 2 articles that we put in the folder, and we can email them to ourselves, export them, print them, save them as a file.